Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to go premium on the Windy application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then tap on the menu icon in the right side of the screen. Now click on Windy Premium, which is the third option, and here you can see a chart which compares the free and the premium options according to density, quality, speed, support and privacy. Here you can select from two packs, such as buy for 1 year, and you can also purchase an annual subscription. So if you have decided which one you want to purchase, click on the relevant one and then you will be able to proceed with your purchase. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.